Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 2nd, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Sunday out there so far. Everybody has a great Sunday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because now the weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the storm systems here moving across the country. As you can see, we have one moving across the northeastern United States from around Pennsylvania up into Maine, also in the portion of St. John's and Nova Scotia region. Then we got some more activity moving across portion of the Ohio River Valley, stretching back into through the Dakotas, also back into portion of Montana, Idaho, and also over to Washington, Oregon State. You can see the northern jet pretty much feeding moisture across the northeastern portion of the Pacific Ocean, across the, like I said, across Washington, Oregon State over into the middle portion of the country, and then kind of going out to the northeast. The subtropical jet, you just barely can see it in certain spots, a little bit here, a little bit in the Gulf of Mexico, and also over into the central tropical Atlantic. Otherwise, like I said, pretty quiet. A little bit of activity down in the South America region, a little bit activity down toward the Yucatan Peninsula, also a little bit in the Gulf of Mexico as well. So pretty much as you can see, the northern jet has dropped a little bit further south. This is the northern jet branch here running in this direction. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like these videos, also share these videos on social media so more people can view my content. And let's go ahead and get the show on the road there, folks. And also thank you for tuning in as well, and hopefully I can get more viewers and also more subscribers. If anybody knows anybody wants to join the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel, go ahead and tell them to subscribe to my channel as well. Alright, here's your Monday forecast. You can see we got some mixed precipitation up here around New Brunswick, the Maine, the New York State, the portion of Pennsylvania, northern New York State up toward Lake Huron, Lake Superior, also in the northern Michigan, Wisconsin, also in Minnesota. We've got a little bit of shower activity around Ohio, West Virginia, portion of Pennsylvania. More snow up here from Minnesota through the Dakotas to Montana to Wyoming to Washington, Oregon State. We got pockets of heavy snow in Montana down to Wyoming, Idaho, also Oregon State as well. We got a little bit of freezing rain there as well. Mixed precipitation also from portion of Wyoming through Idaho down into California, Northern California. We got some heavy rain and flash flooding possible in portions of Northern California with showers along the coastal area stretching into Central California down to the southwestern area there as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Monday. Alright, here's your Tuesday forecast. You can see we got a little bit of mixed precipitation up here in portion of Maine, to Vermont, to New Hampshire, to New York State, down to Pennsylvania. Thunderstorms and showers over portion of Ohio to Indiana, down to Illinois, to Kentucky, Tennessee, northern Alabama, northern Mississippi, Arkansas, to Missouri, also in the portion of Kansas and Oklahoma. Then we got more snow flying up here in portion of North Dakota, a little bit of northern South Dakota through Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, northern California, northwestern Nevada. We got a pocket of heavy snow over portions of Idaho and eastern Washington State. Then we got mixed precipitation in Wyoming and Colorado, back to portion of Utah, also in the southern portion of Idaho, Nevada, portion of northern California. Got some heavy snow in the mountain chain there of the Sierra Mountains of California, and also we have some heavy rain and flash flooding in that vicinity as well. Showers stretching all the way down towards Southern California as well in the coastal areas also in that vicinity. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, you can see we got winter weather advisories up here in portions of the Boston area down towards the Connecticut region, also toward New York City, also over toward New York State as well, down to Pennsylvania. Dense fog advisory over southern South Carolina and eastern Georgia, along the coastal waters there as well, a little bit along the panhandle of Florida, southern Alabama. Still got the river flood warning stretching from Kentucky to portion of Tennessee, Arkansas, over toward Mississippi, Louisiana, and eastern Texas. Also some dense fog advisories in portion of Michigan. We got more winter weather advisories stretching from northern Michigan through Wisconsin, Minnesota, North and South Dakota, Montana, some over in Washington, Oregon State, portion of California. The pinks are winter storm warnings stretching from California to Oregon State. Also a little bit of southwestern Washington State, also Idaho, Wyoming, Montana. Also, we have wind shear, cold weather advisories for a portion of North Dakota and Montana. Extreme cold warnings right along the coastal areas of the Montana U.S. border and Canadian border as well. High wind warnings in effect for you guys and portion of Wyoming, also in the portion of Colorado and also Nevada, and also some flood watches also in effect there as well for California. Alright, we got smoke craft advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way down toward New York State. Then again from portion of California up to Washington State, Hawaii and Chain Island looks good. Also around the Alaska area, right along coastal areas of Alaska, could be some blizzard warning in the red, and also some purple there, winter weather advisories also. Alright, take a look at the severe weather not expecting any over the next 8 days at this time. Soon we get to it, no thunderstorms are expected Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, and the predictability to probability will be too low for days 4 through 8. Alright, here's the rainfall totals across the lower 48. You can see we got heavy amounts of precipitation up here in portions of Tennessee to Kentucky, also into portions up toward West Virginia, also in the portion of Pennsylvania, also off in the coastal water. Also some heavy precipitation also up into the northeastern around Maine. More heavy precipitation over Montana, Idaho, also into a portion of Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, Washington, Oregon State, and a lot of heavy precipitation. Maybe could be anywhere from 4 to maybe 10 inches of rain for Northern California, and that over the next 7 days. And also then some heavier amounts in the eastern Pacific. Elsewhere, lighter amounts are expected across much of the area to no precipitation in some areas. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Sunday evening, folks. Take care, and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.